What happened to him? Human or a bird?
And everything explodes.
Hello, pigeon boy.
You can talk? Wait, we're going. I didn't know pigeons could talk. Are you like a special one?
I am indeed a special pigeon.
Huh, what's your name?
I have a name, but that's called Jasper.
So, Jasper, I wonder, why am I not such affected by this?
Because you're a pigeon.
What?
You're a pigeon because you cannot tell.
What do you mean by that?
You're a pigeon. You're born as a pigeon boy.
Is it like a special person?
Yes, indeed, you are a special person.
They didn't teach that in geography.
Well, indeed, there's not many of you around.
Is there anybody else?
To my knowledge, there's only you.
Why do you come to me?
Well, you don't want to meet a pigeon boy.
Am I like a celebrity?
This boy has a pigeon head. Look here, they have the tail. Oh, sorry. The tail with the feet and a body. And a human head.
Look at that. There's literally no ears. But like some of them do.
There's no ears. What are you talking about? Why are you talking about pigeon and boys? There's a mythical creature.
That's obviously Photoshop.
How do you know it's photoshopped?
I see the ad page plus. Like,
Our page plus could just be for no. It's on our streets and it's a mythical creature.
I mean,
You know, boss
kinda,
told
but
us
it
to
might
look
also
at
be
lizards.
Photoshop. It might be Photoshop.
How can it be photoshopped?
Look at the ad page.
Why are we talking about stupid bird pigeon boys instead of talking about...
That day, something terrible happened. So, the end was near and humanity might be lost.